Have you ever found yourself in a situation where someone disrespected you and you didn't know how to respond? It's a frustrating feeling. Whether it's a rude comment, being overlooked, or outright mistreatment, the truth is, we all encounter disrespectful people at some point in our lives, and how we handle those moments can make all the difference. The good news is that you don't have to let disrespect define your day or your peace of mind. Stoic philosophy provides us with powerful tools to maintain our composure, protect our boundaries, and handle difficult people with grace and strength. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 effective ways to handle people who don't respect you, all grounded in Stoic principles that help you stay calm, confident, and in control. These strategies are not about changing the other person's behavior, but about empowering you to respond in a way that protects your mental and emotional well-being. So, whether you're dealing with a disrespectful colleague, friend, or stranger, stay tuned as we dive into these timeless lessons that will help you reclaim your peace and handle any disrespectful situation with Stoic strength. Let's get started. 1. Recognize what you can control. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is the distinction between what is within our control and what is not. In any situation where you're faced with disrespect, it's important to remember that you can only control your reactions, not the actions of others. As Epictetus famously said, we cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. This is a powerful reminder that while you cannot control how someone behaves, you have complete control over how you react to them. When dealing with disrespect, instead of getting caught up in the emotions of the moment, focus on what's in your power. Your mindset and response. You can choose not to let their words or actions trigger you. You can decide to remain calm, assertive, and composed. This mental shift can be freeing. It allows you to step away from the chaos of external events and take charge of your internal state. The key is to not let others control your emotions. When you control your reactions, you maintain your peace and stand strong in any situation. 2. Maintain your boundaries. One of the most powerful ways to handle people who don't respect you is by maintaining clear, firm boundaries. Stoic philosophy teaches us the importance of self-discipline and protecting our peace, and setting boundaries is an essential part of that. If someone crosses a line or disrespects you, it's crucial to assertively establish your limits and protect your emotional and mental well-being. Boundaries are not just about saying no. They're about creating a space where you value and respect yourself. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. By setting boundaries, you're not engaging in retaliation, but rather taking control of your own actions and making it clear that disrespect will not be tolerated. This could mean politely but firmly telling someone that their behavior is unacceptable, or it could mean distancing yourself from someone who continually disrespects you. The Stoic practice of maintaining boundaries doesn't mean being confrontational. It's about protecting your peace and integrity without allowing others to push you around. By staying true to your values and establishing clear limits, you teach others how to treat you and ensure that your own needs are respected. 3. Don't take it personally. When faced with disrespect, it's easy to feel hurt, offended, or personally attacked. However, Stoicism teaches us that we should not internalize the actions of others. The way someone behaves often reflects their own inner struggles, not a reflection of your worth. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live." In the same way, we should not fear or internalize the negativity others throw at us, for it is often a result of their own issues and not an attack on our character. When someone disrespects you, their actions are driven by their personal experiences, biases, or emotional state. It's not about you. By recognizing this, you free yourself from unnecessary emotional turmoil. Instead of reacting from a place of hurt, try to detach emotionally. Focus on the fact that their behavior says more about them than it does about you. This Stoic practice helps you remain unaffected by external events, allowing you to protect your peace and sense of self-worth. As Epictetus wisely stated, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When you stop taking things personally, you regain control and refuse to let disrespect define your mood or mindset. 4. Respond with calmness, not anger. When confronted with disrespect, The natural instinct might be to retaliate or defend yourself with anger. However, Stoicism teaches us that responding with calmness, not anger, is the key to maintaining control over our emotions and preserving our inner peace. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The ability to remain calm in the face of disrespect reflects strength, not weakness. Anger often clouds judgment, leading to reactive and impulsive behavior that can escalate the situation. Instead, take a step back and breathe. Give yourself the space to respond thoughtfully rather than emotionally. In moments of disrespect, pause and allow your rational mind to take over. When you respond calmly, you're not only maintaining your composure, but also demonstrating self-mastery. For instance, instead of raising your voice or retaliating with harsh words, respond calmly and assertively. State your position clearly, but avoid being confrontational. This will not only prevent the situation from escalating, but it also sends a strong message that you won't be swayed by negative emotions or disrespectful behavior. By staying calm, you show the power of Stoic resilience and control. 40 Mini. You said 5. Lead by example. One of the most powerful ways to handle disrespect is by leading through your own actions and integrity. Stoicism teaches that we have control over our character, and by embodying respect, kindness, and calm, we set a standard for how others should treat us. Instead of engaging in the same disrespectful behavior, choose to be the model of what you wish to receive. Seneca once said, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, it is because we do not dare that things are difficult." By leading by example, you dare to act with dignity, even when others might not. In doing so, you not only protect your own peace, but can also inspire others to shift their behavior. When you remain respectful, even in the face of disrespect, you uphold your own values and demonstrate that maintaining self-respect is more important than engaging in negative dynamics. Over time, those who repeatedly disrespect you may begin to notice your consistent, calm, and respectful nature, and it could encourage them to reconsider their actions. Leading by example doesn't mean being passive. It's about holding yourself to a higher standard and letting your actions guide others toward better behavior. Conclusion: handling disrespect is never easy, but by applying these Stoic principles, you can maintain your peace and assert your boundaries with grace. Remember, you have control over your reactions, and by setting clear boundaries, not taking things personally, staying calm, leading by example, and staying true to your values, you can navigate even the most difficult situations with strength and resilience. Stoicism teaches us that we cannot control how others behave, but we can always control how we respond. By mastering your responses and focusing on what you can control, you protect your well-being and set a positive example for others. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who could use a little Stoic wisdom in their life. Leave a comment below and let us know which Stoic principle you plan to apply next time you're faced with disrespect. Remember, it's not the behavior of others that defines you. It's how you respond. Stay strong, stay stoic, and keep leading with integrity.